Today we're going to be going over how to properly wash your face mask during COVID-19. This information is brought to you by the CDC and presented to you by Alex Ray, Lauren Jones, and Taylor Burrison. So we're going to go ahead and go over some information about COVID-19. Obviously, we all know that it's turned our world upside down, and we're staying at home more so than we have been in the past, and we're also practicing social distancing. But the United States comprises the highest number of cases around the globe, but numbers are still increasing in most parts of the world. The rate of deaths, although increasing, is still lower than the number of infected individuals. Our stay-at-home order is actually helping slow the spread of the virus, and I believe that we should keep doing that in order to stop the spread even further. Some more information is that COVID-19 is a member of the SARS family, which is a severe acute respiratory syndrome. And maintaining social distance and wearing a face mask is not the only way to take care of yourself during this pandemic. One of the most important ways is to maintain your health by properly disinfecting your mask. Some people might not realize this, but if you don't disinfect your mask, you can risk potentially infecting yourself later or the next day due to the fact that COVID-19 can live on surfaces for an extended amount of time. Cleaning your mask involves following CDC guidelines and becoming more knowledgeable on how to disinfect your mask. So what you'll need beforehand is household bleach, a spoon, a tablespoon or a teaspoon will work, a bucket or bowl that you can put bleach in that won't tear up the container, and some room temperature water. So step one, you're going to check to make sure your household bleach isn't expired. Some people have bleach that they've had at their house and they just forgot about, and they would like to use it for this. Although I don't think there'd be any negative benefits to it, you wouldn't get the full benefit out of it because the bleach is expired and not as potent as it usually would be. So first you're going to prepare the solution. Use 5 tablespoons of bleach per gallon of room temperature water, or 4 teaspoons of bleach per quart of room temperature water. You're going to use the tablespoons if you're washing like a family set of masks, or you're going to use the smaller solution if you're going to be just washing 1 or 2 masks. Step 2 is to hand wash your face mask. You can do this in this bleach solution that we've just made. Let the mask soak in the solution for a few minutes before removing. This will allow the bleach to properly disinfect your mask and eventually get rid of the virus if there's any virus in there. Step 3, you're going to set your face mask out to dry. Depending on where you do this, it could take up to an hour, depending on the airflow of the room or where you are. But the best results are when the cloth face masks are air dried. Now, once this is done, you can go out and enjoy your newly disinfected face covering. Some safety tips: look for the orange warning symbol on the container. A lot of bleach containers have this on there, and they have some things that you wouldn't want to do, such as use ventilated area when you're dealing with bleach because of the odor it gives off, and proper techniques when handling bleach so you don't injure yourself or others. Warning symbols tend to be capitalized and in bold letters, as you can see in the picture on the right. And the CDC, which is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, has certain guidelines that are to be followed when disinfecting with bleach solutions. We recommend that you go to their website, which we will have a link in the description of this video, to where you can get to their website and see their recommendations. In conclusion, bleach does expire after a year, so check that you have the correct bleach. And I would also recommend using actual bleach instead of bleach that's recommended for clothes, because the bleach recommended for clothes is not as potent as normal bleach, so you might not get the same effect and disinfection rate. But bleach has different percentages of sodium hypochlorite, so determine what type of household bleach you're using. More information on this can be found at the CDC website. Like I said before, we'll have a link for that in the description. But keep in mind, you should be informed of your safety parameters while using bleach. I recommend using gloves on your hands so you don't get the bleach on your skin directly. And always remember, don't forget to wash your face mask. Here are our references, and thank you.